Hey yo, welcome back guys. I'm back with another video and today I'm telling you guys how to get points fast on Fetch Rewards, alright? Now people use this app to scan receipts and get points, but there's actually another way that you can gain so much points. Literally $4 per every one person you joins your invite. Now the person who joins also get the $4. So if you invite somebody, you get $4 and they also get $4. So it's a win for both of you guys. All right, now, so that's how you can do it, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually do it correctly. All right, what you have to do is go in the app first, and then you have to go click me. You have to go to your profile, and then you have to go to refer a friend, and give them this code. All right, so as you can see, a lot of people use my code, right? I got like about $112 just from people using my code. And they also get the money back, the same amount of money that they get, you know? So it's a win for both of us, all right? I get $2, they get $2. But if they use my code and then they scan a receipt, they get $4 and I get $4. So if you use my code, scan a receipt, all right? So you get more money and I also get more money. It's a win for both of us, all right? Now, that's how you can actually gain a lot of money. And I'm gonna show you guys proof of me actually buying stuff from this app so quickly, all right? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to rewards, and I'm go to my rewards, and this is literally what I bought. Right now, this is actually the proof. Right now, I used $35, so, and I have 80,000 points right now, right? So that's honestly like 115k points. That's $115. So that's how you can actually gain so much points and money on this app really fast. It's probably the best app you can make money on right now. If you're at home in quarantine and you're a kid or a teenager or whoever, and you need some money, you can honestly do this, and you can literally buy PSN cards, gift cards for, for somebody's birthday if you can afford anything, or you can just use it, clothes, shoes. So it really helps you out. Use my code, and you also get the same amount of money as I do. So help a bro out. And if this video helped you out, please subscribe and leave a like. Peace out.